In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a game to Steam that was downloaded elsewhere. This is perfect if you've installed a game from another store or directly from a developer and you want to keep everything organized in one place. Use the Steam overlay or take advantage of controller support and playtime tracking. Start by opening the Steam desktop app and heading to your library. Make sure you are in the installed client rather than the web version, and that you are signed into the account where you want the shortcut to live. Your library is where the new entry will appear alongside your existing games. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the Steam window for the plus Add a Game button. If you don't see it there, you can do the same thing from the top menu by clicking Games. Both routes lead to the same options, so use whichever is easier for you. Choose Add a non-Steam game. From the list, a window will pop up showing programs Steam has detected on your computer. If your game appears here, great, select it. If it doesn't, click Browse to point Steam to the game's executable file manually. On Windows, that's typically a .exe inside the game's install folder. On macOS, it will be the application bundle. On Linux, it might be a binary or a script that launches the game. If the title uses a separate launcher, pick the file that actually starts the game itself, not just a configuration tool. When in doubt, try launching the file outside Steam first, so you know you've chosen the correct one. Once you've highlighted the right file, confirm your selection by clicking Add Selected Programs. Steam will create a library entry immediately. You'll now see the game listed, and you can select it and press play. Just like any other title, keep in mind this adds a shortcut. It doesn't convert the game into a Steam purchase, so features like achievements or cloud saves depend on the game and may not be available. However, the Steam overlay and controller remapping typically work as long as the game isn't blocking overlays. If the game doesn't start from Steam, double-check that you pick the actual launch executable and that any required launcher is being targeted. Running Steam with the necessary permissions can also help overlays attach correctly for some older games. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.